What's your direction in the next 3 to 5 years? Are you still going to be here? Are there any big changes that you're anticipating for Camera World and the group?
I think the biggest change in Camera World right now is we're really focusing if we still plan to keep our stores and we're looking for good locations. The direction of Camera World right now is really to focus on using technology like online printing. We believe that before if you had to find good look spaces in malls, now it's really finding a good space online. If people walk the malls, now they're surfing the web and looking for a good place to develop their photos and pictures.
Right.
So it's a matter of using the current technology right now. But of course, we still have our retail stores. We still that is still the foundation of all our activities.
So it's like integrating the technology.
It's integrating everything together. We like it's as opposed to being a purely retail store, we want to think of ourselves as an integrated imaging and printing group.
It's called
Synergy.
Synergy. All right. What about for PowerMax? I mean, what do we expect? Is there something new, something great, something interesting that's going to happen in the next 12 months?
Yes. As a matter of fact, we are thinking of super big event, but I'm not at liberty at this point to disclose.
Super big event. Yeah, you are not yet on the liberty of saying that. Right?
Okay, but
I'm sure I'm part of it.
Yes, of course.
Okay, you just mentioned
Big Lloyd must be part of a big event.
Okay.
We are constantly exploring frontiers in order to come up with something new, something that will cater to the needs of our clients.
What's the greatest challenge of an events organizer such as you are?
From the marketing to organizing, you have to see to it that it will deliver. You will get the results that you want.
PJ, do you see yourself organizing events?
Yes, in the near future, yes, of course. You
mean you are the future competitor of PowerMax?
No, we will future partner of PowerMax. Yes.
All right. That's future partnership.
Partnership.
We believe in synergy.
Yes.
Yeah, very good. But has the government something to do with what you are doing? I mean, individually. Are you affected by the government's programs?
Well, the only thing that in terms of government programs, I think the only thing that's affecting us is really the wages, if they may call it. I mean, it's this every year. There's
compensation.
Always compensation. But of course, we try to mitigate that by also adjusting whatever we have to do.
Right. I mean, really, most people, they are some sort of like they are angry about this wage thing. They get a little. Do we give them, as business owners, give them what is due?
Of course, we are obliged to do that.
So why do they complain?
Answering your question, sorry.
So why do they complain?
Who?
If they get what is due to them, why do they complain?
It depends on the personality of the person. It depends on the philosophy of the person. Perspective. That's what we are always telling people. Your success does not depend on the economy. It depends on your philosophy. So if you always believe in developing yourself, there's a saying, if you want to have more, you have to be more. If you keep adding value to yourself, then there's no way to go but up.
All right, exactly. So that's the value that you're adding right now. I mean, for your company, you add this information technology thing.
Yes. Going back, I mean, about also our people. I mean, we think that we try to give the people our best because they're our greatest resources. I mean, we take pride in the selection of our employees because we, being a creative industry and being in the service industry.
But the technology will not be a reason to lose their jobs.
Oh no! Actually, it's a reason to give more jobs.
Okay.
Because there's more opportunity out there for growth.
Interesting.
Yes.
So what else do you have? Do you have contact numbers?
Yes, please. If you need in-house training or if you want to enroll in our public seminars, please call 470-1055 or 470-1054.
What about this? Camera World and your subsidiaries, which is franchised?
Right now we're working with a new kind of concept of franchising, which is an online virtual franchise. We're working with this company locally.
This is another innovation.
It's
TJ.
not innovation. It's not your typical franchise model, but we're doing an online franchise of our system right now, which is still being developed right now. So
in the works, and you are
In the
also not
works.
in the Liberty.
In the works.